situations. Specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be northwest. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches of hazards and special non-weather events that affect the following counties. Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. Thank you. NOAA Weather Radio. The current time is 11:14 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIH 31.
Oh, it's actually able to go off.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm and EAS signal. These signals are used to activate specially designed receivers when warnings or selected watches are issued for potentially dangerous weather situations. In the afternoon. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If any warnings or threatening weather is possible, the test will be postponed until the first. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm and EAS signal. We now return to the regular broadcast cycle. These are the offshore waters forecast for the following marine locations.
Well, MTR tested.
This is a test of the National Weather Service's radio warning tone alarm and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, these tests will be postponed until another day. Again, this has only been a test of the National Weather Service's radio